Welcome back to BioHack Thursday, where we use science to give you the upper hand in your health journey. Yesterday, we talked about why your husband or son or significant other can lose weight faster than you. Today, I'm giving you the biohacks to level the playing field. And no, it's not just about doing more cardio. The biggest reason why men burn more calories, they just have more muscle mass. Muscle is metabolically active, meaning it even burns energy when you're sitting on the couch. That's a huge, huge advantage. So if you want to boost your metabolism, the key is building or preserving muscle, not just burning calories in the moment. So here are 3 metabolism-boosting biohacks that work on keto or carnivore. We talked a lot about some of these. Number 1, prioritizing protein. Adequate protein, so 0.8 to 1.2 grams per pound of ideal body weight, provides the amino acids you need to maintain and build lean muscle. You need to lift heavy for you. We're all starting at different spots. Strength training signals your body to keep muscle, which keeps metabolism higher. You don't need to be a bodybuilder. Even 2 to 3 full body sessions a week can make a difference. And on that last rep, you should be really struggling. Number 3, stay in your energy zone. Don't chronically undereat. Eating enough to fuel your workouts and recovery prevents your body from downshifting that metabolism. So here's your real life tip today. I want you to think about your metabolism like a campfire. Muscle is the log, fat is the fuel. And if you only toss in kindling like cardio, the fire burns out quickly. Add logs and keep it burning all day. And to do that, you need to add muscle. So if you want to close that metabolism gap and make fat a lot easier, build the logs, keep them fueled, and watch your body work with you instead of against you. And remember, tomorrow's Fat Friday is going to connect all of this to inflammation and long-term health. So stay tuned. In the comments, tell me, do you do strength training? If not, tell me why, what's holding you back. I'll see you in the next video.